So today I'm here to answer an age-old question that has plagued mankind since the beginning of time. Dun, 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 dun. Tampons or pads? Okay, so it's not exactly to be or not to be, but I know that a lot of you guys are just starting your periods and you're confused which route to go down. So I'll help you out here. Let me just preface this video by saying whether you choose a tampon or a pad, it is entirely your preference. So many girls start out with the pad when they first get their period because it's very easy to use. You just have to rip off the back and stick it in your underwear. Also, since it sits outside of your body and you can keep an eye on it, you can tell when it's fully absorbed, so the chances of leakage is a lot lower. Also, because it sits outside your body again, the chances of any bacterial infection getting caught in your vagina is also lower. Now let's move on to a tampon. Now, many girls complain that wearing a pad feels like wearing a diaper. So a lot of girls prefer a tampon because they feel more free. Now, you obviously cannot wear a pad when you're going swimming. So girls that want to go swimming on the time of their month or want to be really active or play a lot of sports generally tend to lean towards tampons because it gives them more freedom in their movement. After all, you're not supposed to feel a tampon if it's inserted properly. Anyway, not a big deal, all your preference. So what's the big decision between the two? For the third time already, it is your personal choice. There is absolutely no right age or right time to wear one or the other, and you could always switch if you don't like it and based on your body. Just remember though, regardless of whether you use a tampon or a pad, change it frequently so you can stay healthy. That is it for today's episode, guys. You know the drill. Click the button below, subscribe to our channel, and look for me on the next episode.